Hey guys, just making a quick video for Corvette. When a window is rattling, I'm holding up the bushing here that likes to come apart or fail. I've seen this more than once, so thought I'd put a quick video on here. So what happens, customer complains, they hear the window rattling on here. You can hear it, and what happens here is the bushing that's supposed to go right here, that mounts the track to here, it has come apart, and that rattles on there. So what we have to do is get a new bushing. This little guy, not much to it. If you want to go backyard to it, get a piece of hose or something like that, and you're going to end up putting this in here. It does help to go from the bottom up. So pretty quick, simple fix for, unfortunately, a lot of rubber on this little thing. So hope you enjoyed that. Hopefully this tip helps you fellow Corvette guys that have got an issue with, well, having an issue with rattling windows on here. Thank you.